Join us on our 7-day cruise to the islands of Hawaii and see all the amazing sights this destination has to offer. We visited some of Hawaii's best beaches and traveled in style aboard Norwegian Cruises' Pride of America. The ship has a pool, several bars and lounges, and more than 15 restaurants. Inside there is a magnificent lobby with a grand staircase. The Skyline dining room is one of the most beautiful on the ship. It has an Art Deco feel, and the design was inspired by 1930s Manhattan. We had a delicious brunch before setting off to explore our first island, Maui. Maui has over 30 miles of stunning beaches and is the second largest of the Hawaiian Islands. We took an Uber to several different beaches, and one of our favorites was Wailea Beach. It's close to several hotels, shops, and restaurants. The next day we went to Napili Bay and Kapalua Bay. We'd heard a lot of good things about this beach and we're super excited to check it out. Right next door is Kapalua Bay. The bay is protected by 2 reefs that make it ideal for snorkeling, and the views are absolutely stunning. The next day we made it to the island of Hilo and saw the famous Rainbow Falls. The waterfall is 80 feet tall and cascades over a lava cave. You can climb all the way to the top of the falls for an excellent view. Next we boarded the Hapa On, Hapa Off bus. Our first stop was Black Sand Beach. The views here are amazing. Next, we stopped by the lagoons at Carl Smith Beach Park. Here you can see Hawaiian sea turtles, then take a path down to the water to go for a swim. Hilo is an amazing island and well worth the visit. The next day at sea, we saw dramatic views of the coast that left us completely in awe. And we were greeted by yet another spectacular rainbow. We finally reached the island of Kauai. It's been used as a location for various films, including Jurassic Park. We booked a tour bus that would take us to all the major points on the island, and we couldn't wait to explore everything Kauai had to offer. We soon reached Waimea Canyon, also known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. It's approximately 10 miles long and more than 3,000 feet deep, located on the western side of Kauai. The lookout point gives you stunning panoramic views that will take your breath away. Next, it was time to experience a traditional Hawaiian Luau. We ordered some Mai Tais, then made our way over to the buffet. We had kalua pork and sides included rice, sweet potato, and poi. There was also a whole table devoted to desserts, and we made sure to try a little bit of everything. Next, it was time to sit back and enjoy the show. In ancient Hawaii, hula played an important role in keeping history, mythology, and culture alive. Through the hula, the Hawaiians were connected not only to their land, but to their gods. We also saw some amazing fire dancers that kept the audience at the edge of their seats. We had a wonderful time at the luau, and it was our last night in Kauai before we headed to Honolulu to catch a flight back home. Hawaii was absolutely unforgettable, and we enjoyed our 7-day cruise to the fullest. And if you have any questions on visiting the islands, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.